Damn, it's a badass truck. Very nice lady. Ford F450, dually, 37-inch tires on 22s, brand new truck, super nice lady, and 4-link suspension on the front, leaf springs on the back. Brand new truck, man. Awesome. I wish that was me, but maybe I'll just hook up with her. It's your boy. I'm gonna turn the camera around. And we's at Spin City. I don't know why. Okay, that's better. Did you see that truck? Oh my God. And my friend Machika. She's cool. We hanging out here, chilling out. It's like 100 degrees coming